In this video, I will show you how to delete system restore points in Windows 11. To get started with this, what you want to do is come across to this PC on your desktop, right click onto this PC, and then come and click onto Properties. What that's going to do is open up a window like this, and from here, if you scroll down underneath the device info section, you're going to see a link to system protection. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now, from here, what you need to do is find the drive that you want to delete restore points for. Generally, that's going to be your C drive, so you just want to select it from here, and then come down and click onto Configure. Now, on the next window that pops up, if you look at the bottom, you can see there's an option to delete or restore points for this drive. So to confirm, all you need to do is click onto Delete. As you can see, we're going to get a message come up like this, saying that this will delete all restore points on this drive. And of course, if you do this, you're not going to be able to undo it. But to confirm, just simply click Continue, and that's going to delete restore points on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So that's how to delete system restore points on Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.